Students, in India, there are different seasons in a year, such as winter, summer, and autumn. Today, we are going to learn about the autumn season in the poem An Autumn Greeting written by the poet George Cooper. The poet George Cooper was a famous American poet. He was born in the city of New York. He has written many poems for children such as The Wind and the Leaves, Only One Mother, etc. Introduction. The poet George Cooper describes the beauty of the autumn season. When autumn comes, the leaves begin to change color. The leaves change into red and gold, and they start falling off the trees. With the weather getting colder, the leaves are covered by the snow. Paraphrase. The journey of the leaves from the tree to their earthy beds is aided by their friend, and it is the wind. Aided means to help. The wind ushers the leaves to come over the meadows, that is, on the fields, in their red and gold dresses, and play with them. The wind also reminds the leaves that the summer season has ended and winter has set in. The leaves are waiting for the wind's call to come down, fluttering, dancing, flying, and singing. The journey of the leaves continue till they reach their earthy beds, and they fall into deep sleep with snow covered over their heads. As the poet George Cooper was from America, he has written the poem based on the American season. He has described the weather changes according to his country. In America, there are 4 seasons. Summer, which starts from 1st June to 31st August. Autumn, from 1st September to 30th November. Winter, which starts from 1st December to 20th February. And spring, which starts from 1st March to 31st May. Now let us understand the meaning of the poem. Stanza first. Come little leaves, said the wind one day. Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold. Summer is gone and the days grow cold. Meadows means a field which has grass and flowers growing on it. One day, the wind tells all the little leaves to come over the meadows to play with it. The wind also tells the leaves to put on the dresses of red and golden color. It means when the autumn begins, the color of the leaves changes from green to red or gold. It is the time when trees shed their leaves, or in other words, the leaves begin to fall. The wind further informs the leaves that summer is gone, and as the autumn begins, the weather will get colder. Stanza 2. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Fluttering means moving up and down with quick movement. In this stanza, the poet tells us that as soon as the leaves heard the loud call of the wind, they all came moving up and down on the ground. They danced and flew on the meadows, singing the soft little songs which they already knew. Stanza 3. Dancing and flying, the little leaves went. Winter had called them, and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. By George Cooper. Content means to be satisfied. Earthy means resembling earth. Mantle means a layer of snow or ice covering the grass. The poet in the last stanza tells us that the little leaves went dancing and flying. The winter had called the leaves and they were satisfied. They came down on the ground, that is on their beds, and went to sleep. The snow which was soft covered them with its layer. This shows that the winter has arrived. Thank you for watching the video.